We deal with complaints from everything that we call non-bank. So the credit providers, they cover the retailers. So those would be typically your store cards like RCS, TFG,
Edgar's.
Edgar's,
Everyone has an Edgar's card.
and that kind of card. Then we've got all the non-bank vehicle finance. So BMW Financial Services,
Okay.
Toyota Financial Services. We also have uh, some non-bank housing, like SA Home Loans, for example. And then we have the large body of micro lenders. Okay, and I've omitted in this also the furniture retailers. So the Lewis stores and the like JD Group and so on. So the micro lenders is the biggest number of credit providers. All credit providers must be registered with the NCR or the National Credit Regulator, and typically all of these organizations are registered as credit providers there.
And the minute they're registered as credit providers, the law requires them to be a member or to
So,
fall under the NFO.
so yes, in terms of the Financial Sector Regulation Act, which provide for the regulation of the Ombud system in what is typically referred to as Chapter 14 of the Act, Section 211 requires any credit provider to belong to an Ombud with jurisdiction, if there is such an Ombud registered.
And I think what's important just to note for listeners is that you don't oversee unregistered lenders. So if you've gone and borrowed money from a loan shark, unfortunately, Howard is not going to be able to help you.
If you have a problem with an unregistered credit provider, then we would refer you to the NCR, because the NCR has powers of enforcement that we don't have. So they would be able to go with the police and shut down such a credit provider, or do whatever is required in terms of the law to make them account for their illegal behavior.